Good morning, traders. Today I'm launching Gold One Shot Robot. It means that it will take only one trade in a day. There will be no any single trade. Even you will reinstall it, reattach it, but EA will not take any second trade. So this is very good for them who are a safe trader who don't want to take more risk in this market and they don't like martingale or any grid strategy. So this is a one trade and that also will be a with stop loss, with target, with trailing stop loss, trailing steps, everything will come. So one trade is a and this we have made this is our own robot. So before this, see our balance is $1,500. So if your balance is $100, then you use a 0.01 lot. If your balance is 0.500, if you have a balance, then you use a 0.05 lot. And these all settings you use by default. As per your broker, different decimal values are there. In short, this is the 100 pips stop loss. So suppose your broker, see in my broker, 1000 when I write here 1000 then it consider 100 pips. So if your broker 100 pips, you can also check by backtest it that when it's 100 pips. So either add one zero or you can delete one zero. So same way 100 pips. This is the TP is target is 80 pips. This is a 800 means 80 pips because my broker 800 when I write I put then it consider 80 pips. So this is the trailing starts pips, trailing step pips. This all you put it as it is. Only just one zero add or remove as per your broker. And one more thing, when you install this EA, one trade EA will take instant for a testing purpose. So that first trade of the EA is not part of the strategy. So when you install this EA, when it take instant any trade, you close it instant because first trade is not valid as per my strategy and it's just part of a testing that EA is installed and it's taking trades. So first trade whenever you install it takes then you close it manually. After that you don't do it. Then it will take as per our strategy. Or you can also do one thing when market is closed that time if you install this EA then also it will be a good. Either you can use this EA install on Saturday, Sunday or between the closing market and opening market. So this is the first rule. So we have put it here and 5 months from January to May we are checking. See all the EA robots there is a method to use it. It's not that you get a file and you instant install as it is and you don't do it, some improvements. You need to change some settings. First, let me show you its trades. Then we will discuss about this EA, how you can get a better results. See, this is the taking every day one trade. $60 profits, $60 profits, $60 profits, $150 loss. I got it here. This we will talk in this video, but let me show you first everything. See, this is the up and downs, profit loss are there. But you don't worry, we are going to take every day, we will make every day profitable days. So, so far, $840, if we use it as it is, 32% is drawdown. So, who are a safe trader, they don't want to take any risk because only one trade and with hassle 100 pips. So, you know that you are not going to lose more than 100 pips. So if you are using a 0.01 lot, you know that you are not going to lose more than $10. See, consecutive loss means in a row, two trades are in a loss, and consecutive wins are three. I will download these reports and then we will discuss it. See, this is the report. Now we will talk it here. So you come to know how you can get a better results. See here, it's telling that continue two trades. We got it in last 5 months. Loss are there, but I will show you what it means. It means that see, this trade is profit, this trade is profit, this trade is profit, this trade is profit. Here we are getting a loss. Again, then profit, profit, profit. This also profit. Every day we are getting a profit. So daily 50 to 80 pips we are booking. Consecutive to loss means here in this 5 months, two time it happens that continue 2 days we got a loss. So not more than 2 days in a loss. So how you can take these benefits? You know that every day we are getting a profits, but some days we may not get a profit also as this is the market. So, but next day you will get a profits. So there is two trades, two time in a row you got a profit. So in this case, See, every day, other days, if you see here, only this is the date, only here, 2 days, two trades, we got a profit. Otherwise, this is the profit, this is the loss. When we got a loss, next day, it's giving a profits. It's a profits. It's a profits. Again here, 2 days, you got a loss, but next day you got a profits. So when you get a loss any day, suppose you are getting a loss this day, because this in backtesting it's not possible. But what I am doing, if I am getting a loss this day, 0.50 lot, then next day you can double your lot size. Next date, when you double your lot size, you are getting a profits, you are covering this loss and plus extra profits. So this day also not a losing day for you. So this day is also not losing for you, because that loss you are covering here, because you are when 120 and your lot is double, it means that 240, your profit is $240. So from it you are getting $90 profits. So your this day also profitable day. And see, only 2 times in a row you are getting a loss. It means that suppose this day, suppose this day you are getting loss, and this day also there is a possibility that next day also you can get a loss. So in these last 5 months, we have seen that continue two trades we can get a loss. So here you can double your lot. In this also, when you are double your lots, then here you are getting a profits. So this day also profits. So this is the way when you use it, there will be a no single day for you in a loss. If we see only 2 days continue, we get a loss. It means that 2 times you need to increase. If you get a loss, then 2 times you need to increase your lot size for a next day. Then your results will be a more better. And you see here, other days, most of the day, you are getting a loss, you are getting profits, you are getting profits, you are getting a double profits, you are getting a double profits. So you don't worry if one day you get a loss, next day you can increase your lot size double. But you don't think that next day I'm increasing my lot size double, so I can get a profit. There is possibility that this day also you can get a loss, but next day you are getting a profits. So you double your lot size of this. So here you can triple your lot size. So in this, so every day you can see profits only you are getting. One day you may get a loss also. See, this I am telling you to double your lot size, but it's not necessary. If you don't want to take any more risk, that I will not double my lot size, then also it's okay. You don't need to do anything. You can run as it is, and this much profits you will get it without doing anything. And your drawdown is 32% nearby. So lot size is as per your balance. If $100, then 0.01 use. If $600, then 0.06 you use. SL is 100 pips is fixed. So as per your broker, you add or delete one zero. And EA will take one testing trade. So from that also you will come to know that SL and TP is 100 pips or not. See, this EA I am going to give you to use for a free 1 month in demo account only, because directly I am not giving to use it in real account. So if you need it in real account, then you need to ask me. For a 2 week I will give you to use it in real account. Then you can take this EA on rent. I'm not going to sell this EA. Only my trusted person to whom I know from a long time, to them I can even sell, but on rent I will give you. So 1 month I will give you to use for a free, then one more 15 days, 2 weeks I will give you to use for a free. If you think that this EA is good for you, then you can message me. I have also other EA also. I have more than 6,000 robots. That are others. This is our robot. So this is for a safe trader. Only one trade in a day. That also with a stop loss and targets and no martingale, nothing. And 32% is drawdown. Consecutive losses, two trades in a row, you can get a loss. So if you want to try this EA, you can message me in description or in comment. You will get my Telegram and WhatsApp numbers. Thank you.